Hey YouTube people, we're eating breakfast and Mom says, look what's going on my screen. Come look.
It's a green.
It's a green.
What is it, Hazel?
It's a froggy.
A froggy.
Yeah, a froggy.
It's a tree frog because we're in tropics.
Is that Tracy? Wow, it's a tree frog.
It's a froggy.
It's a froggy.
Is Mama gonna pick it up? Aw, what if it's poisonous, Mommy? There are poisonous tree
It's a
frogs.
froggy.
In like the or like the rainforest.
My lens is getting all foggy. It's too
Because we're in
humid.
the rainforest.
It's a froggy.
It's a froggy. He's like,
I don't know why it's not moving.
He's,
I wouldn't.
Oh, he peed.
he peed.
I would research it before you pick it
It's
up.
a froggy.
Just
It's a
wash your hands.
froggy.
There he goes. He jumped. Now he's on the floor. Let's see him. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. See, I go on Mama's foot. Oh, hop. He's
You guys
hopping.
can't see anything because it's so foggy, but
He's hopping. What do you think, Hazel? She's like, I am not sure.
froggy.
It's a froggy.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to touch it?
It's like a froggy.
Do you want to touch it?
It's a froggy.
It's a froggy.
It's a froggy.
It's a green
It's
frog.
a loggy.
So what color is he? He's green.
Tell Gaga.
Tell he's green.
Green froggy.
It's a froggy.
We are so brave.
It's a froggy. It's a froggy.
It
It's a
is.
froggy.
It's a froggy.
He's just hanging out on the porch.
It's a froggy.
Gaga says her neighborhood puppies are here.
We're going. Here you go.
Look, stay here.
Cookie. 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 Cookie.
They're getting snacks, Hazel.
Cookie.
What do you think?
Cookie.
Yeah.
Cookie. 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 Cookie.
Gaga feeds them snacks,
Mommy. Mommy.
treats.
Mommy.
You want to throw it?
Throw it in the hole.
Oh, I don't think
Look away.
we'll ever see that one.
You'll find it. You'll find it.
So we are looking for the batteries for the vlog camera, but until then, we got to use this camera. I don't even know if you guys can tell the difference because this is a similar lens, but the quality should be much better. Don't know where the batteries are though for our normal little camera. We'll find them. They're somewhere.
Yay! Gaga found the camera bag. It was by Hazel's freaking out. She wants me to come get in the shower. It was by the shoes, by the front door, because it was on the back porch, and Mom brought all the shoes in so they wouldn't get wet or anything. So she's like, I touched them. I know where they. I know I had my hand on them. So anyway, I gotta go get ready and start the day.
Hi.
She's cleaning.
You're cleaning?
Are there any
Good
lights in there?
job.
Don't dip it anymore. Okay. You love dipping it. She likes to get her hands. Good job. Okay. Wipe the wall.
You need a rag, Hazel.
Here's the rag. Like this. You do
Getting
that.
all the sawdust off before paint or something.
Yep, we're gonna get the drywall dust off and then prime it.
It's recording, say hi. Oh, you have to hold it.
Hold it so they can see you. There you go. Hold it up.
Yeah.
Don't touch the lens. Don't touch that part. Daddy said don't touch that part. That's portrait mode. We don't film like that.
Show mommy. Mommy said don't touch that part. Okay, show you. Tell him I'm gonna go night-night and get milk.
She's gonna send a text to whoever you're talking to. Look at her thumbs go.
Wow, you're a good typer.
Space, space, space.
Sorry, Lindsay. She's gonna send you a message.
Daddy, ain't good.
Hmm? Put them down because it's so sunny out.
Oh, Sunny.
Oh, sunny.
Hazel just woke up from her nap. I've been editing and working on some Ben's Garage episodes that I'm behind on. And Gaga's running errands. It's sandbox time. It's hot today. The sun is finally out. It's like what it's supposed to be down here in Charlotte. 90 degrees, humid, and sunny.
Hazel hears something.
Woody. Woody.
Yeah, bird. Did you?
The drinking.
It's a chicken.
It's right there. Right there.
Is it right there? No. I think it's a rooster.
Rooster.
Because it's saying, "Urr."
Yes. Big. The bug.
There was a bug.
The move away.
Flew right by your head. Hear the chicken. Hear the rooster. What's it sound like? Yeah.
Yes. I'm right there.
It's right there. It's probably at Miss Ellie's house. Should we go see her today?
Rooster.
Rooster, I heard it too. It was really quiet saying, "Urr."
Yes.
She hears all kinds of nature out here. Bees, bugs, like cicada bugs, and now she hears a rooster. In the distance, it's just going like,
Rooster.
yeah. This is an act of mindfulness. You just take it in and you say, you let your mind hear everything that's happening and you acknowledge it and you just relax in it. You hear the wind and you acknowledge it, and then you hear the bugs and you acknowledge it.
Walking through the woods. Walking through the woods, Hazel said. Walk with me. Yeah. We're going to see if Ellie's home. See the llamas and the farm.
Let's go see Ellie.
Llama crossing.
You want a treat? Look at them.
We found the llamas.
Here they are.
Hello.
Oh my.
Hi. Whoa.
Watch out, they spit.
They look like they're happy to see us.
Hey, people.
Hello.
Look at her face.
She's like, what about that?
Oh my
That one,
gosh.
like, flew out.
He jumped.
Hi.
What was named Mr. Ed? I'm not sure which one is Mr. Ed.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
Aren't they kind of cool?
What do you think, Hazel?
They got sheared. So
I like their little poodle cuts.
He's still thinking about us.
No one's ready to lay down. They look like giant doggies.
Yeah, they do.
They're letting us pet them. Miss Ellie came back from wherever she was, and she went to go buy some fence. And these guys are ready to be pet. That's a camera. Oh, ooh! Your faces are making me think that you don't like what we're here. This one looks happy to see us. This one gets a little nervous. Can I pet your back? Can I pet your back? No? You're hairy. No? You guys are so curious.
That's because I spend a lot of time with them. A lot of mamas just say, oh, we're going.
This one's attitude is hilarious.
That's my snuffleupagus if you watch.
Oh, she does. Well, hi. Hi, Mary. Their necks are so cool. Look at this guy. You are funny. What do you call that one? This snuffleupagus? McDonald? Nikki Dong. Nikki Dong. Nikki Dong. Hi. You are so curious. So curious, you guys. She's been wanting to see the chickens.
Ones are only 3 months old, so they're gonna be the size of a duck.
Oh, that's big.
I'll have to give
wanna
you an
see?
egg so she can take it home.
Oh yeah. Oh, she would love that.
You want an egg, Hazel? We'll have to take it home
We
and
can't
cook
let her
tomorrow.
hold it though, because she will squish it or drop it.
Where's the rooster? See the rooster in the
Here's Mr.
cage?
Yeah, this is Mr. Hamilton.
Can we get Mr. Hamilton?
Oh wow, that's the friendliest rooster I've ever seen.
Oh, he's a love.
How
He is a
cute.
So this is as big as I'll get.
He's a little rooster.
That is so cute and beautiful. I mean, look at the feathers on it.
Hazel, can you see the rooster? Can you see him?
You want to pet him? Pet him right there.
Do you want to touch him?
Touch him?
Can I touch
Pet him on
him?
his chest?
I will touch him.
You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Would you like to touch him? Just a little touch. See, he's nice. He's a
That's
nice.
the rooster that was saying.
He's a nice rooster. Oh my gosh! I can't.
There's Miss Fancy Pants.
She is fancy. Look at her outfit.
Nice shoes on.
Yeah, she's fluffy.
Hazel's just taking it in, man. She is just.
You wanted to see the chickens, and here we are. We turned back, and I said, "You want to see the chickens?" And she says, "Yeah, chickens. Come on, Gaga."
Come on, Gaga. We gotta see the chickens. Look at that, huh? They're so cute.
So when they're full grown, they'll have feathers down their legs like this other one.
Oh, cool.
Look at them go. Here they come.
I'm gonna have to look that up online. Tell me one more time that.
Brahma chickens, like a Brahma bull,
Okay.
but they're huge.
She said they're the biggest
They're the largest
breed
chicken.
of chicken.
And
They're gonna be bigger
They make
than a
large
duck.
brown eggs.
Okay.
Can you see them
I
close?
mean, yeah, and the females are just as little.
She touched it, Mama.
Oh, cute. Oh, good job, Hazel. You decided to touch it.
His name is Mr. Hamilton.
Say Hamilton. Say
Rooster. It's a rooster.
Say rooster.
The chicken.
The chickens are the
Rooster.
girls.
Can you say Ellie? That's Miss Ellie. Uh-huh.
Her name is Ellie.
You say Miss Ellie?
Can you say Miss Ellie?
Try it, Ellie.
That might be.
She said it on the way up. She said, Ellie.
Ellie. That's a rooster, huh?
Good job, Hazel.
Wow, you were brave. You touched it. Isn't it pretty? I like these feathers. They're like shiny.
See his wing? It says wing.
Oh.
He's very soft. He's a soft chicken. It's a rooster. It's a rooster.
It's really, really gentle. This is
It's a rooster.
this is an animal. We gotta respect animals.
You cut it. Yes, you cut that rooster.
You're
What's a
being
rooster
so
say?
gentle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Did we hear that one? Does he talk a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Every time she heard it, she was going.
Hey, can you say hello to Hazel? Say hello.
Oh, yeah, just pet her back. Don't touch her mouth, okay?
Oh, she's fine. If y'all ever want a dog, she would be awesome.
So she's trying to
Child.
give her to me.
Ah.
I said, not right now. I'll come visit her. Right now, I've got too much going on. I don't have time for a
Good
poor
girl,
dog.
Lily,
It'll
Lily.
be sad.
Good
She
girl,
loves
Lily,
you,
Lily.
Hazel.
She likes you. Yeah, you're being gentle. Thank you. You want me to pet her? Okay, I'll pet her too. Blow him a kiss. Mwah. Have a good day, llamas. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go tell Miss Ellie bye. You can blow her a kiss. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
Me.
Whew, back in the air conditioning. Holy smoke. What?
You remember?
Let's get some water first. You need to drink some water. I think it's outside. She was so thirsty. Water.
All right, we're in the town of Waxhaw and we're looking for a place to eat, and Lindsay, Mark, and Emerson are gonna join us. Over the train tracks. Lazy Pig Barbecue.
6 people. Yes. Usually tell them what we decided to get. We got a family pack, and we got a wrap of ribs to share, and some cornbread, and a gallon of sweet tea.
Hazel's first time eating cornbread. Is it good?
Like it? Take your time. Let me know if you guys have any questions when I nail it.
Liquid nitrogen.
Does it smell good, you guys? It's cold? Wow. Hi. Are you so happy we're here? Hey guys. She goes, hi. Who is it? Aunt Lindsay and Uncle Mark. Hi.
We just finished eating. We didn't film any of it because this little girl was a nightmare. Could hardly concentrate on eating, let alone filming.
Hey, so wait, Sean did really good with her, I'm gonna say. He was very patient. But Sean was handling her pretty well. He was being firm and very calm, and that's what kids need, is calm. He just acts like it's no big deal, and then Hazel just like doesn't get the attention from it, that like the negative attention. Because I kind of...
That was very patriotic.
She really picked up a huge ant. Yeah, we don't pick up ants here, they can bite.
We found a horse. What does the horse say, Hazel? What does the horse say? It's Elvis. Live music on the weekends.
Give it up for our ladies.
All right, guys, we're back home. We're heading inside. Time to put this little one to bed. So, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next one.